forget to like and subscribe. Share this video, definitely helping our channel grow. All right, let's get started. Most important part of this thing is getting the straight lines. What you can do is I'll put in the plans what I'm using here, a strip of wood that has the same size as the lines we need, and all we're gonna do is trace down and up. You just want a straight line. So using anything, you can use a level, a piece of board, a broomstick, anything that's a straight line, and you're just drawing those straight lines. That's the key to this thing, is actually getting straight cut, clean line. This has so many lines to it, so when you look at something like, why does that look so clean and why does mine not look the same? It's those lines. Those lines have to look so clean. So take your time, go slow. It's gonna make it look a lot more professional than someone kind of going a little jiggly, a little side, kind of going a little sloppy. It's gonna look way more professional if you take your time and you get clean, straight lines. And when you're done, it's gonna look like if a machine did it or someone else did it. So definitely the key, straight lines, clean cuts, and it will look professional. Whew. I had to try to block some of that the sun's coming in, throwing off my light. Oh man, I gotta get a new tarp, but I blocked it with that. All right, let's keep going. It's hot out here. What's up? Finally done. It's a little late. It's probably around 8 o'clock at night this Saturday. I'm gonna try to finish this one up and put it up this Sunday. I know it looks late, but I went to work in the morning and started this in the evening, so this was probably around 4 o'clock, or yeah, around 4:30 is when I started. We're about 8. It also takes me extra time because I'm filming, moving cameras around, but this shouldn't be more than really a 4-hour build. It could be quicker. I could have gone just hand cut these, but that's not the way to do it. You definitely want to take your time, and the way I use something to guide my saw to get the straightest cuts as I can. That's why it looks clean. That's the look that you're going for. If I would have rushed it, then it would have been noticeable. So definitely take your time. This is a build. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. That's pretty light, pretty stable.